Hello guys! Amidst evolving market dynamics, NIO CEO discussed ONVO implications, hinting at strategic adaptations to emerging competition. Today, the CEO of NIO said something, and I want to share it with you. So, here's what he said. It will definitely have some impact, but I don't think it will be that significant. In the market, there are more than 200,000 cars that are very strong, and they will sell at least as well as NIO. We still focus more on the Ladao market. Our partners are all very good. Look at Xiaomi, Li Auto, Zeekr. There are many excellent products in the market for more than 200,000 cars. This doesn't work directly. This is the thing we look at with more interest. Yesterday, NIO CEO was asked whether ONVO could impact NIO sales and potentially harm them. He responded remarkably. He acknowledged there might be some effect, but their main concern is whether ONVO can succeed in the competitive market. They have great confidence in their product, particularly its ability to swap batteries. However, as you know, this remains their primary challenge. Nevertheless, it's evident that ONVO could also affect NIO's sales negatively. Therefore, it shouldn't be dismissed outright. But what is NIO doing about it? Alright, NIO actually stated a few months ago that the future would see an increase in the average selling price of NIO vehicles. Okay? Now, they've announced the ET9. In the future, they'll discontinue the ES6, ET5, and ET5T models, leaving their established price range for both ONVO and NIO brands, which is based on more expensive vehicles. Many were concerned about removing the ES6 and ET5, as they are strong sellers. This could indeed harm NIO. However, if they compete with the ONVO L60, they could pose strong competition. So essentially, they're positioning their vehicle under the ONVO brand. ONVO will cover that segment of the market, while NIO focuses on different luxury, high service, and more expensive vehicles. Mass market cars are left for the ONVO brand. Now, they're not immediately removing the ES6 and ET5. No, they will sell them for at least 2 more years and gradually transition to the third platform. Okay? They might not release the ES6 on the NT 3.0 platform. They'll reserve those models and above, like the ET7, for the third platform, and they will be excellent. Alright. So, this will remain present for quite some time, alright? And I believe that NIO investors should be very alert with these changes that are coming. Because due to the removal of ES6 and ET5, NIO incurs a lot of expenses for maintaining these premium NIO cars. Alright, these are some things that you may have perhaps forgotten. NIO has an excellent service. NIO is famous for its service, but it's difficult to understand that providing this service to these inexpensive vehicles is not at all appropriate when they don't pay more. Alright. So if you are a buyer of an ONVO car, then you won't get such good service. If you want such good service, then you'll have to pay more and buy an ET7 or a higher car, meaning in the future, most ES6 buyers 2 or 3 years later, they will be ONVO buyers, and ONVO buyers mean less expenditure for NIO on each customer. So, this is very good. This will actually help in profit because NIO incurs a lot of loss in providing such excellent services. For example, picking up the car for free maintenance, along with free repairs with an insurance package. The insurance package was a loss-making business for NIO. They have recently made changes to it. So that's good. But are you understanding, right? I mean, they have a lot of benefits for NIO owners. It just doesn't make sense if they're buying a cheap car. Now, will ONVO cars have a big impact on NIO sales? Well, the NIO CEO has said that there will be some impact. I think deliberately naming this car and everything positions it a tier below NIO, okay? And this is quite evident from its name. And if you want luxury, people who maintain status might just buy NIO. But for those who seek and genuinely want features and specs, these people won't care much about status, luxury, or premium. They will definitely buy ONVO. Even if you know NIO is the right brand for them, like they're very wealthy, but they want features and specs more than premium luxury and service. So, NIO brand will mostly focus on personalized, customized cars. You'll have many different options for colors and interiors. giving you the opportunity to choose what you want and what you don't want. Whereas ONVO cars will be for the mass market, and everyone will buy the same car. It won't be as personalized as NIO. But in my opinion, if ONVO manages to capture a bit of NIO market share, it won't matter much because ONVO cars, according to my personality, will sell a lot. Many people want specs. They want them at a cheap price. These things boost sales. BYD cars are cheap, so they sell. And they're functional too, alright? Even if they have some issues, why are the sales still high? It's because when they are launched, they are priced low, they compete in specs. But over time, the specs become outdated, and new cars from other brands come with better specs and cheaper prices. So why should I buy that car then? But for NIO, with ONVO, there's a battery swap feature. So you can always trust battery swaps. And because it's quite cheap compared to NIO, they say 180,000 RMB with battery rental, which everyone can afford. Well, basically, everyone can afford it. So, this means that there are going to be a lot of sales. Alright, buyers of Model Y might also consider this car. Many people are saying that if it shows better energy efficiency than the Model Y, then attention should be paid to it. Undoubtedly, it is becoming very popular among the people in China. People are eagerly waiting for it, truly, even at the auto show. Alright, many people are showing interest in it. And for Xiaomi cars too, there are some very wealthy people who have bought Xiaomi cars, Xiaomi SU7, even if it's not a status symbol for their family. You know, some people just like the car, alright? So, it's perfectly fine for NIO sales to have some impact. And I hope there will be some impact. But there shouldn't be any worry because one day, NIO will earn more money. NIO will make more profit with less expenditure. And this will truly help NIO become a big company and reach more people with its cars. There will be more battery swaps. So, this is going to be a net positive for NIO shareholders as well as for the NIO company. Alright, don't worry about it at all. Alright, there will definitely be some impact. The CEO of NIO addressed the market dynamics, emphasizing their focus on the Ladao market despite acknowledging the potential impact of competitors like ONVO. NIO plans to discontinue certain models, shifting towards higher-priced vehicles, while ONVO targets mass market appeal. Though concerns exist about NIO service costs for cheaper cars, ONVO affordability and battery swap feature may attract buyers, promising positive sales impact for both brands. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more stock predictions and market insights. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.